Hello, Andrew from Filteroo here today, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to assemble your Filteroo Superoo stainless steel gravity water filter and get it ready for you to have your first glass of Filteroo filtered water. It is super simple. It'll only take about 10 minutes. You'll need a tea towel, a screwdriver and a spanner for the assembly. The first step and the most important thing is cleanliness. Wash your hands before handling the housing or the cartridges and take care to ensure that no contamination occurs as you assemble the system. This is particularly important for the cartridges because the cartridges are the heart of your Filteroo and we need to make sure that they don't get contaminated. To start, remove everything from the box and remove all the packaging and lay it out on the table in front of you. Once you've removed everything from the box, please inspect all the components to ensure they have made the journey to your home successfully and they are in good working condition, ready to be assembled. If there are any breakages or missing parts, please contact us straight away so we can assist you with any replacements. The first step is to wash all the parts using warm water, but do not wash the cartridges. Wash the lid, the top tank and the bottom tank, the tap and the hole plugs. Be sure to rinse everything properly, lightly dry and place all the parts on a flat surface on the countertop so they don't roll onto the floor. The second step is to place the stand in position. Next, install the stainless steel tap into the bottom tank by inserting the tap through the hole in the side of the Superoo, ensuring that there is a rubber and steel washer on each side. Tighten the nut with a spanner. Place the bottom tank inside the black rubber ring. Press the black rubber ring around the base of the bottom tank. Next is to sit the bottom tank on the stand. The next step is to insert the blocking plugs into the spare cartridge holes in the top tank. Make sure to leave enough holes unblocked for the number of cartridges you want to install in your system. We recommend you use 2 cartridges for normal usage and 4 cartridges for larger occasions. Now it's time to prime your cartridges. Check out our priming videos in our learning center. Once you have primed your cartridges, the next step is to install them. To install your Filteroo carbon block cartridge, remove the wing nut and leave the washer on the thread, then insert the thread through the hole in the bottom of the top tank from the inside out and then screw the wing nut back onto the underside of the top tank. Do not over tighten. If you're using Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges, remove the blue end caps from the cartridge and carefully screw the fluoride cartridge onto the thread of the carbon block cartridge underneath the top tank. Take care to not over tighten the plastic threads on any of these cartridges. You only need it tight enough to ensure you have a seal and no water passes around the thread of the cartridge. Lower the top tank inside the bottom tank. The final step is to install the knob onto the lid. Use a screwdriver to tighten the lid screw. We recommend that you flush 12 liters of water through each cartridge before consuming the water, just so you have the best taste right from the start. As the water filters through the bottom tank, open the tap and allow the water to empty out of the bottom tank into a bucket or container. You can use this water for your garden or plants. Now all you have to do is fill your Filteroo to the top and you are done. Put the lid back on and your first glass of Filteroo filtered water will be ready in no time. Thank you, and remember to take a moment to love your water today.